Hey there, it's Martin from Propel. In this video, I'll walk you through the different options available in the Propel Outlook add-in to help you streamline your PR tasks even more effectively. Let's dive right in. First up, we have media lists. Select this media list to use the media list associated with that particular pitching initiative. Or you can select another list, and it'll auto-populate your emails with the right journalists and contacts, making it easier to send pitches to relevant audiences instantly. Moving over to Insert AI Pitch, this powerful feature lets you generate a customized AI-driven pitch. Propel's AI will create a polished pitch draft based on the inputs you provide, so you can focus on refining the message instead of starting from scratch. Then we have Insert AI Intro. This feature generates a personalized introduction based on a journalist's recent articles or the industry topics they've recently written about. It's perfect for adding that personalized touch to your emails, helping to increase your chances of catching the journalist's attention. Finally, let's look at Insert Placeholder. The Insert Placeholder feature lets you personalize your emails by inserting information like the recipient's first name, last name, publication, location, and many others. Be sure to verify the details in the dialog box that appears after you hit Send. By using placeholders, you can easily tailor each email to the individual journalist without manually editing each message, making your pitches feel more personal. And that's it. These options in the Propel Outlook add-in are designed to make your PR workflow smoother, faster, and much more effective. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, reach out to us at support@propelmypr.com.